Hey there! Are you looking for ways to make money online, but you don't have any higher skills or specialized knowledge? Don't worry, because there are plenty of opportunities out there for you. I'll be sharing with you the top 10 ways to earn money online without any advanced skills. 1. Online surveys. One of the easiest ways to earn money online is by participating in online surveys. Many companies conduct online surveys to gather data about their products or services. You can sign up for websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research to start taking surveys. These websites will reward you with cash, gift cards, or other rewards for completing surveys. 2. Freelance writing. If you have a knack for writing, you can offer your services as a freelance writer. Many websites and businesses need content for their blogs, social media, and other platforms. You can find writing jobs on websites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. You can earn money by writing blog posts, articles, product descriptions, or social media posts. 3. Virtual assistants. A virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs from a remote location. If you have good organizational skills and can manage tasks like data entry, scheduling appointments, and answering emails, you can work as a virtual assistant. Websites like Zirtual, Fancy Hands, or Upwork can help you find virtual assistant jobs. 4. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor. You can find tutoring jobs on websites like Chegg or tutor.com. You can tutor students from around the world in subjects like math, science, or languages. You can earn money by creating online courses, offering one-on-one tutoring, or group sessions. 5. Selling handmade items. If you're creative, you can make and sell handmade items on websites like Etsy. You can sell anything from jewelry to clothing to home decor. You can set up an online shop and start selling your handmade products. You can earn money by fulfilling orders, shipping products, and providing excellent customer service. 6. Online reselling. You can buy and sell items online, such as on eBay or Amazon. You can find items at garage sales, thrift stores, or other places, and then resell them for a profit. You can earn money by finding valuable items, listing them online, and shipping them to the buyers. 7. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you can start an online store without holding any inventory. You just need to find a supplier who will ship the products directly to the customers. You can create an online store on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. You can earn money by selling products, promoting them, and providing customer service. 8. Social media management. If you're good at social media, you can offer your services to businesses who need help managing their social media accounts. You can create content, schedule posts, respond to comments, and analyze social media data. You can find social media management jobs on websites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. 9. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where you can promote products or services on your website or social media, and earn a commission on any sales that come through your unique affiliate link. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Commission Junction. You can earn money by promoting products, creating product reviews, and recommending products to your audience. 10. Online transcription. If you have good typing skills and can transcribe audio or video files, you can work as an online transcriptionist. You can find transcription jobs on websites like TranscribeMe or Rev.com. You can earn money by transcribing audio or video files, proofreading transcripts, and delivering them on time. So there you have it, the top 10 ways to earn money online without any higher skills. You don't need a college degree or specialized training to start making money online. All you need is a little bit of time and effort. Good luck! If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this.